presidential candidate be na akwa election lose a watimi akwa subsequent election wanya 1 million ti Dr. Bawumia so otimi nya 1 million kwa ade be ka 4.6 no a 5.6 still I want to NDC for the no 6.3 until 2020 Bawumia na obesan awe ti Samira Bawumia adara ukunu awe ye now to osu and they san prepare another sun ba akuda wanim na su kese no abeba 2028 2029 so lose a onya 32 or 28% na ho na NPP for be cho letter dey abel so resign and the ho na don say be good ti na boy and me kuru ya pan everybody mo ho esu kese na beba 2028 me say NPP without entro without propaganda yencha entro ene no krese emfa mata ho yenkoye say me say NPP for be catch there ye say tama na eti akurasi o omo say check ya ye de ko Bank of Ghana akwa sign ayi sika e de abetua Kweku akuafo ka no kofo na no ye position leader na sign road say one sign NPP entro NPP ni bia mfa afon frɛ Kennedy Agyapong tie mi Dr. Bawumia kwade on timi fa afon frɛ Kennedy Agyapong kodua timi frɛ Kennedy Agyapong obia ni party office wona sabio na nimya fere ya obetwa frɛ Kennedy Agyapong enti ade na omo ye no they did it at the blank side of Kennedy Agyapong na a sign of disrespectfulness ye mu na obu nipa obetimi akwati committee you be co-chairman without the person's consent. The MPP do me say, I'm also speaking per my checks. Dr. Bernard Champo upia nini nkomo. Na baby omo de MPP akodu na Jason Fimpo akodu party no ebegu ewo ni tiri so. Ebegu ewo ni tiri so. O Jason Fimpo akodu yes san letter we our sign no. Da bay anamono honorable Ken Kasai. That bay and I'm on the brand Kasai. Did brand also consent Sadewi? Abusa for someone. The NTS free MPP muno. Yet Anna Chama wound to me. Did the 50th birthday. Now Robin Peter to pay Paul. As part on the 50th birthday was say watch ambulance or donate to it. Oh, what Kwaku say forest. Atutu nsuo. I say nuya. I say forest. I sika say all the Kwaku donation e de ama Agyarko na fi de Nyankopɔ begi sanchi be ma sanchi da wi chama wuntumi kan kire yese na nado MPP na atwam sesi eye Bawumia MPP eye Bawumia People's Party chama wuntumi anum ton na ye nim se eye MPP enti ada mo ka se eye Bawumia People Party no ana ejai kwati the base enti mo anam nti die nti ya te the base no ene ye kire mo ase omo se nye MPP biemo chama wuntumi se chama wuntumi just is not just an ordinary person. He's a member of the National Council because he's the Asante Regional Chairman. Or say enye MPP na eye nanado pa MPP na nanado party ene eye Bawumia MPP enti eye BPP Bawumia's People's Party. Na ye be join because of say eye MPP. And na mo say Bawumia Party ye gya ye ko mo mfa ma de. Yempe ne de ehye ato ye ne muntam. Mo call radio so a mo nton mo party. Mo can the base. We will come after you have traveled. South America boaje. Me say MPP on. Open party the whole world, the whole Africa, the whole Ghana. Omo ye confused party a MPP. Miraka boaje say oba Bawumia dia they will come in 3 folds to attack you. The communication director Richard Ehiagba say yensoman HSF omo ye the most confused party. What's the entire confused party? Ye ko yati a base brabe join it. As simple as ABCD. As simple. Now secret bi ho me ba be catch na tweme na Kevin tell ye tunufu na se osa Sam George edin ba hwe form say to keka bi che Mahama cry himself anti Kevin Taylor no NDC for nya day say I fear poker say ana 24 hours na aso chama wuntumi was a member of the NPP National Council was Asante Regional Chairman me wunsa ne ba ohene ba say Kevin Taylor so ba apologize ohene ba we ana bi a microphone ema no ana obeka say Lord na Mahama kodi dwa ojo maba oba na Mahama ahama Lordina made ama Lordina kwaso ofiri awade ase na former president bi che former president bi mi busamo President John Dramani Mahama se nyame ma ne kwatenten ema onu twa ne 4 years new year. He is the only president ya watch more than 8 years as Ghana president. O man peni ko twa 8 years okoye. O wiye na sa wuntumi TV station abro nya kwatena ho. And was say President John Dramani Mahama then former president one standogwe yede akwakoda amwanyem no na mo say obi akasa atia omampeni kufo men support o but they say ho behunu mpuotwa na wode kromani aka akere nipa odi ka de respect omampeni kufo e disrespect omampeni kufo e ya abronye at the National Council meeting abronye Richard Annan no be kan was di duo matem na sabio mona mo hu se kwa da omampeni kufo ebetima di na tem ana ma Kevin Taylor kodi ye abronye ana odi kan kwa disrespect omampeni kufo at National Council meeting ama Dr. Richard Annan no be kan mo sama abronye kodi di Richard Annan no matem ama bi so omampeni kufo to was bia me ke the NPP for omo ko obi bom na so omo obi mba na omo bom na former president no ebi so chen bi ana me I don't subscribe to say omampeni kufo nipa say ono ba ya obema Ghana 1 cedi ene $1 ye pe omampeni kufo na be chiche Ghana economy ma Ghana for mo abruche ekon do so ma Ghana emi de mebunu but you say mona mo invited the attacks on omampeni kufo no because so kodi Mahama tema obi ba be di Bawumia tem and obi ba be di kufo atem and obi ba be di Nado atem enti mo pe clean dia mo stay clean Chama untu a whole regional chairman sa Lord na Mahama bua fuso onware wa firifie adaya okwa kodidwa e di aba oba na Mahama ebutu mu made so hama no na present muya etianim hwe mo makasa asemu omo anim se omo ambo Kennedy Agyapong amane ana omo de Kennedy Agyapong din ahye ho ento omo asan so akotwa this fake letter with honorable Ken letterhead Ediaba na omo aba ba say omo nominate Kennedy Agyapong na Kennedy Agyapong decline mo mo abechi mo awi jata bechi mo awi me shara me kan sa twa propaganda matna power aye propaganda abenya 38.2 matna power aye propaganda anya 38.2 ana masa ba opposition ada so propaganda na mo ahwe ya mo benya 3%. This is not Kennedy Agyapong signature. This is not Kennedy Agyapong. Me share that and make and say if you honorable can come. It is not from our camp. Omo ambo Kennedy Agyapong amanu. And omo adi ni din ehye baabi na botaye omo de ya sa de ne say. Bawumia omo so be lose 2028. Now omo prepare this album against 2032. Now Dr. Bawumia ko lose na say honorable Ken cast obe contest biema. Now who is telling say Kennedy Agyapong is interested in this collapse MPP. Now my baba ka say and you team blame Ken Bawumia. Na ye nyina na ekoye you were the chairman of employment and one and a brand you were the chairman of one interior. And omo answer actual letter fake letter we Ediaba say if Kennedy Agyapong come. Honorable Ken ohum me no kasa honorable Ken one of the site ye yimfidie ye yin fidie gidi enti Ghana mabune ba twa wudi wo the base yo na me so pa adwuma na ye the member of the base ya me so wonsa e de akopa adwuma de ama na obara so ka so NPP delegate ya ho be kiro hwe na NPP delegate so me pesa me yi ade bi kira mo hwa ade o me call record he me call record hwa ade delegate Kwabre delegate Kwabre Sabon former no pa Kwabre delegate former no po ana wa frame adaya ne ba ya da hospital opeska akwakoyi no sa delegate we of me ya fere kai so onto aba Kennedy Agyapong ka kire se nya na be kire bi onto na banko ko Bawumia ho sa wa na ode wa adwene ko to ma Bawumia oba yare me se mo skele bi ko amemfa ma no papa anya hwe abone nya hwe ti amo prepare the album against 2032 now they want to share responsibility osin me can say fa letter to so o de atoso hwe signature no enya Kennedy Agyapong signature no Dr. Bawumia ko for na no my sa letter we aye fake na omo ya de no omo hia Kennedy Agyapong omo ne na nkasa omo anya ne consent ana omo de take committee ni so ana omo akotwo fake letter aba just to post say Kennedy Agyapong a decline. One, Kennedy Agyapong did not have any knowledge some more appointed. You've not discussed any committee be ma'am introduce me be anchiano one consent ana mo amode mo ade aba abontene ana mo asan atwa krata ede aba se Kennedy Agyapong adika mo ensu ani anwea na be fam mo sa mo ye sa de we ensu ani anwea na be fam me say NPP ho na ene social media katetina social media ni wona enka obi ebejiadi na I'm trying say me say me maybe honorable Ken ma me check bi me try ya kan pesa me check ma honorable Ken signature kan pesa me check ma honorable Ken signature na makwa fa Kennedy ohene Agyapong honorable Ken signature tan we cheap signature on sikania na signature and this ade we da sikania na signature aye common to mutate ase da bia meka so asu anya nipa be fa na Nyankopɔn ama na da ne bonka bone eba mutima mo nwe ne se ade aye de kwa abonti no you don't even do something to even look to make it look like original eba abonto bia hu say fake na ba bia honorable Ken anyini adui ni position ni dibie na honorable Ken be chipin wo say ocho krata de ono signature aba bedina enka mo fo hye kwasi kwaten on say sabi mo dwene bone no mo hu bone no hu nyansa akwata nya esi Judas eba ni tim so kwa oto Yesu no wa anye ne hu mienu oto no wi na onu no no osu sa akoto sika lo twene ye me say enne no he NPP adam ye confidence NPP timi ma ba mu biem adam hu say social media aba betenase then social media gu an NPP atima ba power ma men chia menua anyan mo in fact oheme anyan mo no ye menen no na ye deputize lo yakusi in fact obon ho modern papa ye na anye yi NPP delegates ana omo so omo pe obi ode Ghana for be ko Israel ene Israel so ana jedamu to ba de omako mene anyan mo lo yakusi mu misabrefo mu any team members ni payos mu nyina gaji mu kwasi kwatim ya hu say this is the job na sabi open power 2028 how the Bawumia wato apache na Bawumia de better na indies for that bay and a Bawumia ebenya 40%. Na utie MPP for almost say obia ni wa waba third force 1992 na wawene the base for kwa anya yi na me busa mo say from 1992 besi na da bay ana obi akọ election a wanya 1 million vote ada kan previous results no da mon check it from 1992 ebesi na da bay apart from Akufo da bay Akufo ono no e ma adubu aho de so ana obi be kan ho ba sa nipa na akọ no ane de until say mo say from 1992 obi election na third force be make impact ya me kan chia mo say from 92 besi na presidential candidate na akọ election lose a watimi akọ subsequent election wanya 1 million ti Dr. Bawumia so otimi nya 1 million kwa adbe ka 4.6 no a 5.6 still I want to NDC for the no 6.3 until 2020 Bawumia na obesan awe ti Samira Bawumia adara ukunu awe ya now to osu and they are prepare another soon ba akuda wanim na su kese no abeba 2028 2029 so lusu a onya 32 or 28% na ho na NPP for be cho letter dey abel so resign and ho na don say be good na boy and me kuru upon everybody mo ho esu kese na beba 2028 me say NPP without entro without propaganda yentwa entro ane no krese emfa mata ho yenkoyese me say NPP for be catch there ye say tama na eti akurasi o mo say check ya ye de ko Bank of Ghana akwa sign ayi sika e de abetua Kweku akuafo ka no Kofo na no ye position leader na sign Rod say one sign NPP entro Edison ne woni Kennedy Agyapong enkasai unhia Kennedy Agyapong wonfa ade bi nkoto nanim ema ne nyintum na sabi o Kennedy Agyapong be accept to become a member or a co-chairman ono one appointed ni spokesperson na Ellen Amadaku na the NPP nipa asa Ellen Amadaku kasa na someone who didn't even believe say Kennedy Agyapong has created jobs or better kasa on jobs creation on say ade amoye no emfa someone who never believed in say Kennedy Agyapong betima bia djuma e ma Ghana mabuna nya bia ye mo say Kennedy Agyapong oni factory si factory da Kennedy Agyapong o mi adwuma da oboa eyanumdwa na Ghana yihia factory Kennedy Agyapong oni ma ade e fa ne flour oil oni ma ade e fa ne corn oil eye fry ton obubu de gu ntoama wonam ADDC party delegates enne mo sa mokoba ye no mokoba ye no enne de nipa woni factory na nimdia na yemfa ye about jobs and employment okofa na yemfa semo me say asu anya nipa e be fa no na nyame amana da ne bonka temo monim guase sebo monim guase sa da bayam me say NPP sune o ma gu party no na ho Asante regional chairman etimba ji microphone ka kire ye say enye NPP na ye Bawumia People's Party na Jason Frimpong Kodua one issue letter to disassociate yourself from Tróuble to debunk the statement you were there ya ina tiamanyokuo na maka kire say enye NPP na Bawumia Party eye Bawumia NPP na mo si ye ntram Kennedy Agyapong ntram brand support ntram na mo be kan che say ana sha ubenya hwe anya hwe ya kwa kwante odi Kennedy Agyapong ata wo se anya hwe obi oto adi na ma medi obi ebi adwuma ma menya bidi na Bawumia kwa umi adwuma kwa se mubunu na obi tumi fa phone frame na me ya convince me say o de me kwa NPP anya me kan che hwe say o be convince me de makọ bunsan jema aye mere chance be convince me kwa NPP me manya krem ado bi sam say na wo ya me ya hwan me nyobia ba me kam ho a me che obi me nyobia wo ba me kam ho a me che obi because NPP mu ya dem na atena mo entry kese mo azan me say Bafa stock hey kame be sorry Bafa stock see you no some ya sanche no ono de the case no understand say Mahama our personal interest because one owo fear our chado ben President John Dramani Mahama then time no ye vice president no na ewiase wo ho ye say obi a on to namda no oto brebo a o say ye mana kuma fo ndwudwam ana wo kire kwase duare a okoda na etuana no akwa we etimi wo kan kire Mahama damfo say Mahama she oniska o kan kire former vice president so oniska because why by board I bafa so siwo oyeska wakoto ade ewa Dubai ebeche obi an na damfo ne President Mahama was watch we na Mahama ko betma to biamo the case ne de obedamu ache papa obedamu ache me say NPP for case no na me board 2028 si etim kwam a ewura the campaign e be de papa say yenya party na mamo na Kofi Juma wonu so ne de no wonu de me papa bi ne ko save no yes am papa na Kofi Juma so be che papa bi ofon saase go ofon car o maja pad o twa ne selu a o twa ne selu na me say NPP for all the President Mahama can say they've criminally managed the economy, they've criminally sold our properties. They are siwo etimi ko ton ge o asase ge o warehouse ge o car age aja Akufo Addo ase wonu wa akọ kanse comfort ko na the 65 million to no so mo se sa na isi an de akoba ne se Kofi Juma hunti obi akodi 2 weeks o yoku obi akodi 1 week ina ne se nipa akode de ne documents e ba so ba bebe na se ase ade we kwa no wantua VAT you wantua tax you ende akotwiri me hwe akwa ne bre onya be da paba okwa wo so oziwo bie esi ade anse omo ye ne se bill conditioner NDC for ne de atoto omo so no wunim omo de pa akromfo ne bi NPP fo mu ache se ache Kofi Juma ye 65 million Ghana cedis so do obe wajapo ade beba oba ni ahwe ada wo akwa asa Agyapade no adwuma wo ye ya onya sika de akwaye adwuma na so tua tax Ghana force no pe some invade tax no so anti tricks Kofi Juma de obeche nyame bo on the 12th ana court be ko na asem na ohwe sem bill no o review the above form kakra na Kofi Juma se eba 30 million ko onya because I also been a dinner Agyapade ba na yati opposition mo na mam ka no kre before 2016 na NPP ni be no wa Agyapade a apart from Kennedy Agyapong ne Dr. Brancham ko no si Agyapade and few guys bi a who na wo sa Agyapade no enti Agyapade bi obi bi wo bi o de ko akotisa in a short bi an o akwa between another time no na 8 years amam adwuma pe na wo ye ya watimanya sa 50 million 65 million no and so kwa ahwe ya so kwa akudam ti share da wo NPP ni na echewa ti ase so bedamu ache because me shaibu no se mo Agyapade a me mfa ma na yokofo abeka se trase na ye hwehwe Agyapade ni mu na me nkodi 3 days 4 days so me se akwa no ho na owie ye no manui ana menka na amenu nsuo ba akode na nsira me ba be kan che amenu nsuo ba akode ma be kan sem ko na hyem omu wie ye no ana memmo nipa kodi ana ka che ne se wo ade na so NPP for so ada ye be che NPP ni a wo sa de odokun obesia no ade a me de be ye ono na nkofo we aba betena kunwa so 8 years ya ma wo contract amwa anye na bre bokwanya contract on my hodo so aya na ya che omo a na do kata be twaje o masa ensi abim jo kata akọ nipa nse nya okwa na abeka ache mu na oji a waji me na bedi ho adanse o ka da na samwa nyimo boy se manhia Yesu na yes na de ho no me kobo message no me ba asem foforo ho me ba be ka ache mu hey Ghana for perfiles papa a man for the shaibu na okoyemfa a man for your mashi show mo the best for no o your mashi show papa open so na boken ko NPP am say o ko NPP o me pen no way okay I was on aboken ko NPP say en ka say na boken free NPP some say mo pre Kennedy Agyapong mo pe Kennedy Agyapong and yeso ye pe no na wa betimi aka wonsem yi no when I Kennedy Agyapong be do wachi but for now the ache on aboken say yebu no ye don me need say the base for at this bogus ade ye be ya ade ye to tio ye say we want Kennedy Agyapong to lead the base. We want to organize our base, a solid base, get our numbers, and give Honorable Ken a proposal. Near convincing. What say about because yeah de na Kennedy Agyapong or ye frag brother done deal. Ye boom, ye done, ye expecting the views. Now mutimi ya de without the person consent. One consent my yard. Mumu be that me charge me rape no. Na yere da how more money e bon wata notice. Or say I love Shaibu too much. I also love you. And or say the base Ghana first. Emmanuel Boanzi or say the base Ghana first. Achampem Hema TV or say NPP. Was it current NPP administrator lack common sense, knowledge and wisdom. Michael also said this is the time Honorable Ken should come out to clear the air and declare his intention. I know the Amonchen, the base Ghana first at Champagne Hema TV was say these bloody suckers don't have any regret. And I was say the base Ghana first fake MPP agu. MPP is fake. MPP force shame only. And I was say the base we move no can no votes. Okay. I wish you wisdom in your man, you can decide to waste me common sense. The American. So when I make sense, my wa. Kona ko church mu kire o maame. Now maame who say wo kwana the text message ba wa Jimmy. Mabusiam. Hwe ameka asem ba akon kire mo. Dr. Bawumia NPP made him who he is. But the NPP na ye Kennedy Agyapong who he is. Be NPP only complimented. Now if say 2000. Now Dr. Bawumia will scar. Obetimi akwa run elections are winning on his own. Even as at the constituency level. But Kennedy Agyapong campaign in the Asante not what obian support no. But he went and took NPP NDC seat. He went and snatched the NDC seat. You cannot compare Dr. Bawumia to Kennedy Agyapong. Now if you say Kennedy Agyapong and run NPP, or run the basa see. MPP better now Kennedy Agyapong better my MPP I do this point. Now nipo could do a yasha or you see. If we now see wedding, see party as you see. Market here share ya promise 60 cameras one top. And me share and ya me say 2020 mo better bullets, better sound. Share na enim say I don't know MPP no ye na idea. So we didn't want to destroy the MPP during the primaries. And now me say be the Honorable Ken Nechi. As I make abronya so anama so. Abronya so anama so. Na abronya no. Wono no sabi. Na fono se obi obubu ntesi oton ewa amusie no. Onyim nchen obi a. Anke be che na se. Ulo bi ni akola. Abronya. enti so wo say wo bom pa Nyankopon be ma me nyansa no abusa o ma me say ade na wo na wagimi saa na betra me channel so de ehwe me na busa wo say if you took President Akufo Addo 3 elections before he became Ghana president, how many elections will it take Dr. Bawumia to become even Ghana's a position be kwa me fama no on the president onya bindi ana mo pada mata onya bindi omanya a Christopher ya about 92% 72% no onkofa American Muslim bia so me president Ghana ho beto abama no one help America say me mental Dr. Bawumia but se Ghana your company ka wo de Dr. Bawumia nipa on person be take responsibility onye good leader nipa ye de economy chains wabubu economy watete economy no ebia abusuafo mo fan chairman na mo opportunity be Ghana mampani a me ni yi wo se nanado amama anye nanado amama de anye on one breath digital ye mane ye on another breath economy no onka ho ade bia be say bia Akufo Addo mutimi ko plan say nanado continue enti yan yi bone ni nyamfa hye nanado na wo yesi Ghana for sure Ghana for mpo bia onye trustworthy temo Bawumia the president onya bi ni na na base ba 2020 na mebo esia election 2028 no economy be play wu Dr. Bawumia oni moral right even talk about economy and na jobs ya na Kennedy Agyapong gina ha na Dr. Bawumia gina ha osiye nkoto abama aja omi adwumada na Dr. Bawumia can he talk about jobs, can he debate about jobs like Kennedy Agyapong so the best for the Ghana for Moti say Emma Honorable Ken co-chairman committee employment and jobs no aye fake aye ntro aye krodonhwada sem aye mambo sem ammo brasem tibon kwaso kofrikwamu amfere wase esem montam sasem na mo pedas bi mu fantum aye bogus aye bombo class case aye fucking case wey I say banchi case kwa inspector or the red permit chum ano mo akoya fake thing ano mo se baba expose mo ano mo akwa fake Honorable Ken letterhead e dia ba bonten say ana Kennedy Agyapong acho krata dia baba da o mase Kennedy Agyapong spokesperson Kwesi Kwatin former spokesperson ko na obe issue na signature no o man Ken or Kennedy Agyapong na o man say Kennedy Agyapong signature doesn't look like this a fake omo hihye sei no mo de aba hihye round TDC and no ba Asante region eja da NPP mo running mate NAPO any FUU hihye FUU say NAPO nim kasa yesa NAPO kwa obewe ana omo de NAPO kwa omasanwe ana yesa NAPO kwa for say FUU so nim dressing na FUU no also to training ana omo ko boabo nsem twa for ano a ene de omo context running mate in Asante region party eguye me ka chem say party ni egu amoto monte ase hwe ko for time mo say man for contest running mate na nado time ye ho a yese wo de Bawumia ba ye ho de Bawumia ba Dr. Bawumia ko atam ana running mate obi timi wu o hene ba say Dr. Bawumia running mate ti ana obi ekum jonkuma se ba ko mu kum ba ko a ebia we no mekum mienu na afiri ya yu no ko ade omo contest bi minim so mu nsuro wu nde omo yire mu ntu omo fo ana omo yire mu ntu omo fo se de ohire ba kan no kra de a entu ukowu ukowu ana ohire ba se running mate nti ana ekum jonkuma entu ukowu ana enti ne no wa na ya friend sem twofo na mo ka bi ma afiri ya yu ana si ano NAPO ene wuntumi case no eto ntwayo ene wuntumi boys ni nyina no ye adwuma de ma free you for running mate party egu ana running mate your contest because you almost say the flag bearer in consultation with the National Council ɛnɛ deɛ ɛyɛ kyerɛ ana ɛsi NAPO mu nkɔɔfoɔ so na wɔn sɛ wɔde NAPO kɔ hibernation wɔn kɔ kyerɛ ne kasa si adeɛ da hɔ no ɛyɛ filler number 1.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.